You know Zivid for our industry-leading 3D cameras. For more than 10 years, we brought sight to your robots, and we're now introducing Zivid Motion, bringing intelligent movement to your robot. The camera tells your robot where things are. How the robot actually moves is still one of the hardest, most time-consuming parts of deploying a robot cell. Collisions and singularities cause unexpected stops and downtime. Hard-coded paths are fragile. One change in the environment means retuning everything from scratch. And scaling that effort across multiple cells is a project in itself. Our new motion planning technology makes manipulating robots move faster, safer, and more reliably, while at the same time reducing complexity and development efforts. Zivid Motion is a global deterministic motion planner. Given a target pose, it computes the optimized paths for your robot in under 100 milliseconds. This enables your robot to dynamically and effectively navigate its environment on the fly without encountering robot singularities or crashes. Zivid Motion unlocks capabilities that matter in real production. Scan your robot cell in 3D during installation to eliminate simulation to reality gaps and to automate your hand-eye calibration process. Plan with the actual geometry of the object in hand and place items with minimal gaps. No dropping and hoping. Reach objects near walls, corners, and the bottom of containers with angled grasp positions that fixed paths simply cannot do. When a bin moves, a pallet grows, a tool changes, or the environment shifts, the planner updates on the fly. No reprogramming, no retuning. Assess multiple grasp candidates simultaneously and execute the best one in 100 milliseconds. One unique capability of this planner is its hybrid ability to safely touch and interact with objects while avoiding collisions, even in constrained and complex spaces. Move bins, change grippers, lift and move objects. Just give your robot a target goal and Zivid Motion adapts and plan your robot movements for you. Deterministic paths, runtime adaptation, no surprises in production. The same reliability you expect from our cameras, now in how your robot moves. With Zivid Motion, plan smarter, move faster, deploy at scale.